Boy, you're super annoying. Hello. If you could hear that, that was my big boy cat, Glenn, the brick with eyes, Lazarus, rubbing his face on the microphone. Now he's rubbing it on the mic arm, um, and he'll probably bash his tail into the camera at some point soon. So, yeah, be warned. Anyway, here we go. Here is my current iteration of Notion. Boy, stop it. See here, it's called Ultimate Brain. It's from a guy called Thomas Frank. He's a very well known um, Notion creator. And this is his template, which I have modified. I wouldn't say quite a lot, but certainly a bit, including this navigation bar across the top here. So you can see I've got my tasks, and all these tasks are split up. For some reason, I've grouped them via project. You can group them by project or area or when they're due or whatever you like. Down here, I've got my notes. Down here, I've got my projects. Most of projects are sort of a thing that just hold notes and tasks. So they're not really a thing by themselves. They're just a grouping mechanism. Tags are just the overall areas. So the basic structure is you have tags or areas, call them what you want. And then you have projects under that. And then notes and tasks make up your projects, and you can have subtasks as well. But what I usually do is I go to plan my day. Here we go, plan my day. And so I've got my list of tasks here that I can add. Then I've got an execute section here, which is about to fill up in a big hurry. And at the end of the day, we do the wrap up. So anything that's left over, we can reschedule or let it trip over to tomorrow or clear it out. Just put it back in the tasks list, whatever, just by hitting this clear my day button, which is really good, very useful. This is the main reason I'm using this template, really, is this plan my day thing. It's great. But here we go, execute today's tasks. That will take me to a page that I will show you in a moment. But today is a normal day because I'm just here. I don't have to go out anywhere. So I will hit the normal day button, and then down here in execute, it's going to fill up, and I'll show you how that happens. Normal day, there we go, created 49 tasks. Here we go. So this goes from first thing, which I've already done some of these things because today has been a bit of a mess already. And so I've got my day split into chunks. So it's not quite the same as a calendar where everything's allocated a specific time, but I do have chunks. And this has put them in the wrong order. So I'd like to really thank Notion for doing that, which it does quite often. But I can just go to groups and then drag this around a bit and get it in the order that I want it in. So let's get early morning. Let's put that saying first thing, early morning, mid morning, late morning, early afternoon, late afternoon, early evening, late afternoon. So early afternoon, late afternoon, early evening, evening. Okay. So I can now pop back out here and everything's in the right order. It should do this automatically. Sometimes it does not. Naturally enough, it does it today when I'm recording. So I have my list of things and I have them pretty much in the order that I need to do them. So, and what I do here is I go, okay, first thing, what am I doing? I get up, feed the cats because you do that. Have a drink because hydration's important. Do I have anything to go in the sous vide or the slow cooker? Yes, I have a shoulder of lamb that's cooking for 10 hours. Charge my Garmin watch. I'll do that in a bit. Do my Bible study in a minute. This is not really first thing, given it's 8:15, but I will no doubt work my way through this list. Yeah, and so then later on in the morning, I'll do my fretboard memorization and another guitar lesson. Then I'll do weights for 5 minutes. Does 5 minutes seem like not very much? Yes, it does. I'm trying to get into the habit of doing it. So we'll start small. Yeah, and so then I just work my way through my day. And down here, my wrap up section, and here, all the stuff that gets done shows down here in the done section. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And then I can add things to it. Like today, I really need to do some work with my new camera. So I've added my Fuji thing. Now it just drags down here into the no day segment. So in order to make sure that I actually do it, I'll drag it up into early afternoon. And there we go. So it's there. It's going to remind me. Anything else I need to do today, I can just click on this My Day button here. So I should organize my phone screen, but I know I'm not going to do that. I am going to walk down to the post office to check for mail. So I'll do that this morning. Where did that go? There we go. Already went to early afternoon because I had it there yesterday. And then I didn't do it because it was too hot. And today's going to be hotter. So, make sense of that. Might actually move that to late morning. Move that to late morning after I've done those jobs. As you can see, you can put it in order so you can just work your way down the list. This may or may not work for some people, and this may or may not have made much sense. But anyway, then I get to the end of the day and I can clear my day. Yeah, I'll make another video about that at some point soon. Anyway, I hope that made some sort of sense. And thank you for your time and attention. I appreciate it.